check out this absolutely gorgeous classic. 1970 Honda CT70. It's a Concours frame off restoration with 9 miles on it. Soon to be 10. Follow me. Nothing like a freshie. Brand spanking new. Guys, feast your eyes on this absolutely stunning 1970 Honda Trail 70. This is, if you look up absolutely perfect Concours condition in the dictionary, there should be a picture of this, because this is as good as they come. Like my dad used to say, if you're not happy with this one, you'll never be happy. It literally is like it just came out of the box in 1970. A full comprehensive Concours level frame off restoration showing 10.5 miles on it now, since I just took it for a little ride. And it literally, it feels like a brand new motorcycle. Everything's super tight, the shifting, the brakes, everything on it. Starting with the engine, it was completely rebuilt from the crank up with a full, complete new clutch system, brand new piston and rings, base and head gasket, new valves, new cam chain. Everything's totally gone through, from the transmission to the tip of the spark plug. Everything's done. The intake system's got a new air filter. The carb's completely rebuilt in brand new condition. New intake gaskets. Everything's done. The fuel tank is in pristine condition. I can show you underneath the seat. You'll see how nice this bike is. This is the devil's in the details, right? Look at the bottom of the seat. Looks absolutely pristine, brand new. Fuel tanks in mint condition. Everything looks brand new underneath here. The chrome on the bike is stunning. The paint is beautiful. It's a professionally done base coat, clear coat. Absolutely stunning with the traditional reproduction Honda graphics on here, exactly like the originals, with all the warning stickers and the Trail 70 decals. And take a look at the VIN tag on this thing. It's absolutely perfect, like brand new. Just an indication of the kind of bike it started life as before it was restored. It was a low mile original that just needed some love. Beautiful chrome guard on the side here. Beautiful chrome supports. If you look on the bottom side of the engine, it's as clean as the top. It's absolutely spectacular condition. New chrome on the brake lever, on the exhaust, and the heat shield. Kicker, all the chrome is perfect on it. The paint on the rims is beautiful. It's got brand new tires, all new brakes. The chrome on the rear fender is perfect. The seat has a new cover on it. I can spin this side around into the sun. I can tell you straight up, to do a frame off resto on this, there's not a shop in the United States that would touch this bike for less than 50-hour shop labor to do a complete restoration, including the paint and everything. At 150 bucks an hour, it adds up real quick. Plus a couple $1,000s in parts. It's easy to drop 10 grand on a resto. And these have become wildly collectible. The design is pretty much bulletproof. In fact, all the Chinese manufacturers copied this engine design. And even today, Honda uses a very similar design. It was done right, like a Porsche. You know, it was designed correctly, and it's stood the test of time. This one came all the way from Michigan. A good buddy of mine, Greg, who had a collection of classic Hondas, all of them Concours level frame off restorations. We bought 7 of them, all of them this beautiful red color or a similar shade. He liked red and chrome, and it's just something about it, just pops. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. Show them the odometer on this. Check it out. Odometer is restored to brand new with 10 miles on it. The correct Nippon Seiki. Fresh chrome on the bars, all the switch housings, everything is in brand new condition. The levers, all the cables are brand new. It's a stunning example done right. We can ship this anywhere in the continental US. We can actually finance it here for you too, if you like. If you have any questions, give us a call, 860-454-7024. Please hit the like and subscribe so we can bring some more killer content like this to you guys. And thanks for watching, and God bless America.